Hello guys and welcome in this video. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I will show you how to boost your Instagram stories, step by step in a very simple and easy way. If you want more reach, more views, and better engagement on your Instagram stories, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. By going to the App Store and in the search bar type Instagram app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes some options do not appear if the app is outdated. Once you have updated the app, simply go to Instagram app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Here tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap on settings. Here scroll down again and make sure the last two options are turned on. After that, people will be able to boost your story. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.